Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Lazy Panda Pay Later to GCash. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first, what you want to do is open up the app. Then once you are here, what you want to do is select any of the amount. So there you will have some different options, but make sure that the cashback is turned on and that the Lazy Pay Later is also turned on. Once you click on next, you can select how many installments you want to do. So you can do 3 months, 6 months, 2 months. And once you have figured out which one you want, you just want to click on confirm selection. And from there, it's just going to tell you that whatever you did, that the payment was successful. And if you selected that cashback option, it's also going to tell you how much you earned. And this is available for use once recipient of order is confirmed, so the check back, the cashback thing. And then if you go to the other app, you can see that the money is here, you can cash it in, cash it out, pay later, that's your balance. And as you can see, the message shows that you have received 2,000 of GCash from the family's savings bank account with the ending in, your new balance in, this is the reference number, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.